good? What's good? What is good, my sizers? We're back again with another video, and today we're looking at suites in the Masquerade Tower at the RIO. So first of all, let's just check out this view. Isn't this crazy? You can literally see the entire strip, and out of all the rooms I think I've stayed in, this view is probably one of my favorites, and you can literally see a train also. This is where the dining room table was, and then this counter we had the food on. The sink did work. The mini fridge you could fill up on your own. It wasn't like pre-stocked or anything. And then they did have an empty counter like altogether, so we could just fill it up with extra stuff. And here's another view of the living room. Once you walk into the suite, everything was on the left. They did have a TV, and those shelves were empty where you could fill it up with your own things. The couch was very comfortable, and also so was that chair with the little like footrest piece. But this is another part of the view. There was literally windows galore in this suite, and then to the left, like immediately to your left when you walk into this suite, was another door, and this just leads you to like the general bathroom. There were 2 bathrooms in this suite. This was like the general main one, and also the lighting in here was really good. This was the bed in the master room. And look at this suite. Like, look how many windows there are. I was absolutely flabbergasted. It looked so gorgeous here. There was a desk, there was a TV, and everything like was your own space. You could take up as much of it as you wanted. That is the heating unit and the AC unit. And they also had 3 different areas in this suite where you could change the temperature. And one was by the dining room table, one was in the living room, and one was in the entrance of the bedroom suite. This is what the suite bathroom looked like. Now, as you can see here, there was a dresser there, and everything is empty. And I didn't know where the light switch was for this, but they did have a safe and a bunch of closet space and those little contraptions to put your luggage on. It was such a pleasure to stay here, but this right here is probably my favorite part of the entire room because, well, it's a vanity area and their lighting just doesn't miss. Like, this was such good selfie lighting that it was just crazy. Like, I loved it. I fell in love with it. They also had double sinks in this suite, which I thought was really cool. And you can see they have a shower. I'm about to show you their bathtub as well. But, like, this lighting right here was just absolutely flawless. I loved every aspect of it. This is their bathroom. As you can see, it's a regular toilet. Nothing too fancy about this bathroom. I will show you their shower and their bathtub. And because it is summer, yes, their pool is open. However, you have to be a guest to stay here, so you do need a room key to get down there. This is their shower, and I like that there's a like the shelf comes out enough for you to sit in. And this is a jacuzzi bathtub, but I'm pretty sure it was broken because we could not get it to work. But here's a view of their pool, and you have to be a guest to get down to the pool. So here's a view of their pool. And thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, comment down below, and smash that subscribe button. Toodles!